You know, when you're watching your favorite live TV show and everything feels so spontaneous, so in the moment, and yet somehow it all just works. It runs like a perfectly timed machine. How is that even possible? How on earth do you script something that's totally unscripted? Well, it kind of feels like a magic trick, but today we're going to pull back the curtain and show you how it's done. So, picture this, the world of regular filmmaking. You've got a writer carefully crafting every single word. You've got a director who can yell, cut, and do another take, and another, until it's perfect. It's all about control. But in the world of live TV, that safety net is just gone. There are no do-overs. So what do you do then? So that really is the big question, isn't it? How do you script the unscripted? I mean, it sounds like a total contradiction. But believe it or not, it's not. There is a very specific technique, a kind of secret tool that takes all the potential chaos of live television and makes it not just manageable, but pretty magical. All right, so to really get this secret, first we need to be on the same page about what we're dealing with. Let's just quickly define this high-wire act that we call live TV. This right here is the absolute heart of it. It's all happening in real time. What you're seeing on your screen is happening at that exact moment. There's no editor who can swoop in and save a messed up line. There's no, we'll fix it in post. It is quite literally a performance without a net, and you can imagine the pressure is just off the charts. And this whole pressure cooker situation isn't just for one kind of show. We're talking about everything from your favorite late-night talk shows to those huge, sprawling award ceremonies, the sports games you can't miss, and even those super fast-paced game shows. All of them, every single one, is facing that exact same massive real-time challenge. Okay, so if everything's live, that means, well, anything can happen. And this creates a totally unique and unpredictable problem for the writers. You can't just write a story that goes neatly from point A to point B. Nope. You have to build a kind of framework that can actually absorb the chaos and, embrace the spontaneity. This means a live TV script is a completely different kind of animal. Seriously, what happens if a guest tells a side-splittingly funny story that goes 2 minutes over schedule? Or what if a technical problem takes out a camera? What if the audience just has a totally unexpected reaction? The script has to be a living, breathing document that's ready for literally anything. So how in the world do they pull it off? What is this secret tool that brings a sense of order to all that potential chaos? Well, it's not magic. It's just a completely different kind of script. Let's think about it like this. A traditional script for a movie or a drama, that's like a set of railroad tracks. It's a fixed path, every word is written out, the structure is super rigid. A live show script, though, that's more like a roadmap. It's a guideline, not a rule book. It's got a flexible structure, and this is the most important part, it has all this open space built right in for improvisation. And here it is. This is the big secret. The source material we're looking at calls them flexible blueprints, and that's the whole key right there. It's not an instruction manual that you have to follow to the letter. It's more like an architectural plan for a live event. So a flexible blueprint is designed to do two things at the same time. First, it's there to make sure the show runs smoothly and looks professional. But second, it's there to allow and even encourage those amazing, unplanned moments of genuine, authentic interaction to happen. It's the perfect mix of structure and freedom. So what's the big takeaway from all this? If you remember just one thing, let it be this. In the crazy world of live television, flexibility isn't just some nice little feature to have. It is the entire secret to success. It's everything. So how does this blueprint actually work? Well, it really has a three-part job. First, it provides a solid structure, right? The basic foundation so everyone knows what the plan is. Second, it guides the host, the guests, the crew, everyone from one part of the show to the next. But that third step, that's the magic ingredient. It intentionally creates space, these little gaps in the plan where those real, authentic, unscripted moments can actually happen and shine. Honestly, the best way to think about it is this. The script is a guide, not a cage. It's there to give everyone a path and a sense of security, but it's specifically designed to let all that wild, unpredictable energy of a live moment just fly free. So, here's a final thought for you. The next time you're watching a live show, try to spot those unplanned moments. See if you can tell when the host is just riffing with the audience or when a guest gives a totally surprising answer, because now you'll know
Some of the most spontaneous moments you see are actually made possible by the most brilliant and flexible blueprints behind the scenes. Thanks for tuning in.